All right, so today we got good news and we got bad news, but luckily I already gave you the bad news. So today is just going to be for the bad news part, just clarifying, and we'll get that out of the way first. So the bad news has to do with what I told you a couple of days before the Tier 0 drop for the Virgil Abloh Archives Jordan 1. And that was essentially me saying in code that there is no Nike sneakers drop, at least for the US, for the Virgil Abloh Archives. And I'm going to explain to you why that is. And it's an absolutely insane reason. I'm not 100% if I'm allowed to talk about this, so there's a chance I might have to trim this out of the video side and I pass it along to you. But with that said, I have some good news for you. Finally, I didn't want to make a video until I actually had some positive news for you. And that's that the Nigel Sylvester Jordan 4, the new colorway that's going to be dropping, is supposed to be having an exclusive access type of drop. Now, exclusive access doesn't always mean it's going to be the regular default exclusive access, because exclusive access is also what's labeled for every single hunt. So if you look at the data for all the types of hunts, you'll see that they're also listed as EA. They're exclusive access. To access them, it's exclusive. You need to do some kind of a challenge. So just because the info I have right now is just that it's exclusive access, there's going to be some kind of drop, and this should be in combination with a normal drop as well for it. But just because that's all I know right now, that doesn't mean it's not going to be a fun type of drop. It's very possible that we see some kind of a sneakers link or a sneakers code kind of drop for these, and it would make sense because they'd be wanting to redo the sneakers link drop that they did last year, which went very poorly because we leaked the link way too early, causing all the orders to get canceled, and then they ended up putting the rest of the stock of all those canceled pairs into some local sneakers stash, which wasn't great. So now this time around, I would not be surprised at all if they try to do some kind of a drop like that the right way. And my hypothesis, not confirmed, but my speculation would be that it's probably going to be for some kind of a sneakers code drop, something a little bit more than just a plain sneakers link, because I think they've learned from the last time. And it'll probably have some trivia question to do with Nigel Sylvester himself. Again, it's not confirmed. What I just know now is that there's supposed to be some kind of an exclusive access drop for these, and it very well could be a lot sooner than you guys might think. And the main release for them is not far away. Let me just double check. Yeah, so the main release for these is going to be on May 9th. This is for the Brick After Brick colorway, and that's really not far away. That's just about a month away, and we've seen these exclusive access drops sometimes come earlier, sometimes later, but I would not be surprised at all if it happens a lot sooner than expected. So just be ready, and as soon as I have the exact early info, as always, I'm going to post the exact details inside of Endurance. But that's not all the info I have for you guys today. Also got some other information, like some stock numbers that I wanted to share with you guys. First, the two less exciting stock numbers, let's get over with. This is going to be for the Jurassic Park Jaws in both colorways. So for the green pair, the Explorer pair, there's going to be 16,000 pairs dropping on just Nike US alone. Honestly, guys, that's very high stock for a jaw. And for the black colorway, the Raptor colorway, there's going to be a little bit over 12,000 pairs dropping, which is still pretty high stock for a jaw. So when it comes to both of these jaw colorways, honestly, with those kinds of stock numbers, I am unfortunately expecting these to just be personals, even though initially I said maybe consider keeping an eye on them. I'm just thinking it's just way too much stock, unfortunately. But on the other hand, we have another sneaker which is literally the complete opposite, and that's because of how low the stock numbers are. And this is going to be for the Nike Pegasus Premia Melita Biemister. Honestly, guys, I don't know how to pronounce her name. I'm sorry. I'm just here to give you guys the information. Anyway, there's going to be under 500 pairs dropping of this pair, the Nike Pegasus Premium, which is in green. And then for the other pair, which is a little bit more hyped up, the Nike Vomero Premium, which is coming in orange, there's going to be even less dropping, just around 450 pairs of these. And both of these look like they have pretty decent demand. It looks like the Vomero definitely is more hyped up. The Vomero has more demand, and even though retail is a little bit high, with stock numbers this low, definitely think these are going to maintain profitability. We have most retailers dropping on the 9th. Nike sneakers is going to be on the 8th, and we already saw them drop through her site. Anyway, when it comes to the Nike sneakers drop on the 8th and the other retailers dropping on the 9th, definitely would suggest going for these. We already suggested Endurance members go full throttle for these on her website drop because they're just super limited and there's definitely demand on these. Anyway, some more early info. Cryo shots, guys. These are set to have a pretty big moment coming up to the FIFA World Cup, and it looks like there's going to be a lot of different colorways, and I know you're not so excited about these because they're cleats, but I urge you guys to pay attention because they're supposed to be very, very limited, which means there's opportunity to make money on these, even if you don't want them for personal. Definitely pay attention to these releases, and I'm pretty certain we're going to be seeing some shock drops for some of these, and this includes the Virgil Abloh Archives pair. Yeah, we're actually getting a Virgil Abloh Archives cryo shot, which is going to be pretty hyped up, and all of these guys are going to be very limited. So I would imagine most of them, depending on the exact stock, are going to have some opportunity to profit. So pay attention to these cryo shots, guys. Don't sleep on them. So we got the G Dragon colorway. We got a Sloan, a Pata, Palace, Nocta, Virgil Abloh Archives, Jacquemus, and Jordan. These are just all the collaborations that we're going to be seeing for cryo shot, and this is leading up to the World Cup. So a lot to look forward to with these. Keep these on your radar. Don't dismiss them because they're cleats. Guys, these are supposed to be very limited, just telling you now. Then we also got to look at the Air Max 95 Big Bubble Palace. I would keep your expectations pretty low for these, but I did figure I would share them, and we'll keep an eye on them as we get closer to the release, which is on the 10th of April. Retails $200. Then we also got official images for a new Tom Sachs general purpose shoe, and these look pretty decent. Nothing too special about them though, but there definitely could be some opportunity to profit on these. I'll keep you guys updated. And finally for today, I just wanted to share this nice message we got. For sure, also just got to say I joined Endurance about 2 weeks ago, and just alone in the past couple of weeks, I've not only paid off the membership for almost the rest of the year, but I also am still making a profit. I know y'all probably hear this all the time, but I've been following Keith for the longest time now and have no idea why I didn't join the group sooner. Thank you guys for your pings and your work. So I just figured I would share that because honestly, when my staff sent that to me, it just made my day. You can feel free to join us with the link in the description below. Remember, we do a lot more than just sneaker reselling, and we're trying to help you guys as much as possible. Other than that, though, I'll see you guys later. Have a great rest of your day.